Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use Affirm Card in a store. So, in order to do this, you'll have to first of all navigate to affirm.com or simply download the Affirm application. So, after downloading or visiting affirm.com, you'll have to first of all log in using your user credential. After you log in, you will see your dashboard. Here, you'll have to simply click on Payments and navigate to the payment page. Here, select your payment plan. So, follow a few simple steps to apply and select your payment plan and confirm your total. After you confirm your total to pay in store, you'll have to just add your Affirm card to your Apple Wallet. So, add your payment plan, create your Affirm card, and after creating an Affirm virtual card, just tap on Add to Apple Wallet under your Affirm virtual card. And for online, select Affirm at checkout. For in-store, add your one-time use virtual card to wallet and tap to pay. So, that's a simple way through which you can pay on a store through Affirm card. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.